going to be pairing this aftermarket GoPro Smart Remote to a GoPro Hero 7 Black. It does not do the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. This would also be the second thing this pairs to. The GoPro you guys are looking through right now is the first. So I'm going to power that on. If this has never been paired with something, it will look like that, and it will pair to, it's probably going to pair to the remote I am using right now. Yep, 35 seconds. So it's going to pair there. We're going to go ahead and pull down from the top on this. Click Preferences, Connections. Go down, wireless connection at the top. Make sure that it's on and not off. Go back. Go down to Connect Device. Click on Smart Remote. Connect a Smart Remote. And on this one, we want to hold the gear icon. Actually, it just connected by itself. So we have it connected. So we'd have to end the video with you guys. I'm just going to go back into that because it's not showing anything over here. Okay, so I went ahead and shut off my connections on the camera it's currently on and kicked it back on to see if it really connected that easy by itself. Both were powered off again. Now they're turned back on. And it says it's connected to something. Let's see if it's going to record. Yeah, it connected that stinking easy. That's the power button there to go through the different modes. That's favorites, but it does not support that on the 7 Black. There is the current video settings that it is set on, and we can go through that. And change it. And there you have it. Let's see if it powers it off and powers it back on. I did not power that off with my hand. Wait a couple seconds. Now let's power it back on. Takes a few seconds, but it did power back on. Pretty cool. Wait a few seconds for that to show a display, and then it'll be ready to record again. There you have it. Setting up an aftermarket smart remote with two GoPros on one remote. Thanks for watching.